Even though a 9.2 earthquake is extremely uncommon, it is not unheard of. This earthquake would have disastrous effects if it happened. We will examine what might occur if a 9.2 earthquake occurs in this video. A large earthquake having a Richter magnitude of 9.2 is referred to as a 9.2 earthquake. It is thus 100 times more violent than an earthquake of magnitude 7. The energy released by this earthquake is comparable to the explosion of 10 million tons of TNT. This magnitude earthquake would be broad and catastrophic. For many minutes, the ground would tremble violently, causing buildings to collapse, roads to break, and bridges to collapse. The tremors would also cause landslides and tsunamis. This earthquake would shake the ground so violently that it would severely destroy infrastructure and structures. Perhaps well-built structures would suffer significant damage or collapse. In severe circumstances, the Earth's trembling may potentially bring down an entire structure. Its ground shaking may also cause landslides. In hilly places, landslides are a significant risk, and would probably cause several of them. Communities may be completely buried by landslides, rendering them uninhabitable. It also has the potential to cause tsunamis. Large waves known as tsunamis are produced when an earthquake or other underwater disturbance causes water to move. A tsunami that travels hundreds or possibly thousands of kilometers might be produced by a gigantic earthquake. Tsunamis can result in significant property destruction and fatalities. It might have other impacts in addition to the shaking of the ground, such as landslides and tsunamis. For instance, the earthquake can result in water shortages, electricity outages, and communication problems. Additionally, it could cause explosions and flames. Even though earthquake is extremely uncommon, it is not unheard of. A 9.2 earthquake would have disastrous effects if it happened. Such an earthquake would have wide-ranging and protracted impacts. It's crucial to be ready in case this earthquake occurs. Here are some instances of the harm that an earthquake with a magnitude of 9.2 may produce. Number 1. A tsunami that traveled as far as Hawaii and Japan was triggered by the 9.2 magnitude Alaska earthquake that struck the state in 1964. Over 130 people were died, and billions of dollars in damage were caused by the earthquake and tsunami. Number 2. A tsunami brought on by the 9.1 magnitude Indian Ocean earthquake in 2004 killed more than 230,000 people and caused billions of dollars worth of damage. Coastal towns in 14 nations, including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and India, were impacted by the tsunami. Even if you reside in an area that is not deemed high risk, it is critical to be prepared for the potential of a major earthquake. This may be accomplished by studying earthquake safety and developing an emergency plan. We appreciate you watching this video. I sincerely hope that was instructive. Please keep in mind that you should be ready for earthquake. That's it for today, see you in the next video.